Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit indicator in TradingView. If you're already working with indicators on your chart, the quickest way to manage them starts in the same place every time. Whether you're just getting started or you're refining a strategy, knowing how to properly adjust your indicators can make a big difference in how clearly you read the market and make decisions. Look to the top left corner of your chart. There, you'll see a compact list of the indicators you've added. Each one is labeled by name, so you can easily spot the specific tool you want to adjust. If your chart is busy, don't worry. This list is designed to keep things organized at a glance. As you start stacking multiple indicators, like moving averages, RSI, or volume, this section becomes your control center, helping you stay efficient instead of clicking randomly around the chart. Move your mouse over the name of any indicator in that list. As you hover, a set of small icons will appear next to it. These icons are your shortcut controls. You'll notice a gear icon among them. That's the one you use to configure the indicator. Instead of removing and re-adding an indicator every time you want to tweak something, this shortcut saves you time and keeps your workflow smooth. Go ahead and click the gear. This opens a settings panel dedicated to the indicator you selected. Inside the settings, you'll typically find sections like inputs, style, and sometimes visibility. Think of this panel as the customization hub, where you fine-tune how the indicator behaves and how it looks on your chart. Inputs let you change the core parameters, such as periods, sources, or thresholds depending on the indicator. For example, if you're using a moving average, you might adjust the period from 14 to 50 to make it smoother and better suited for swing trading instead of scalping. Style is where you control the visual side colors, line thickness, plot types, so your chart stays readable and matches your preferences. If you're running multiple indicators, using different colors and line styles helps prevent confusion. Visibility helps you manage when the indicator appears, like on certain time frames, which is useful if you want a cleaner view when you zoom in or out. For instance, you might only want a specific indicator visible on the 1 hour and 4 hour charts, but not on the 5-minute chart. Make adjustments thoughtfully and watch how the changes reflect on the chart. Don't just change numbers randomly. Understand why you're adjusting them. The goal is to make the indicator respond to your strategy without cluttering your view. A clean chart often leads to clearer decisions, especially if you're still building confidence in your trading approach. Now, if you want deeper customization, there's another option when you hover over the indicator's name. Look for the double caret icon. Clicking this opens the underlying code so you can see and edit it directly. This is perfect if you're comfortable with PineScript and want to tweak functionality beyond the standard settings. For example, you could modify alert conditions, adjust calculation formulas, or add entirely new logic to better match your strategy. Keep in mind that not every indicator's code is editable. Some published scripts are protected by the authors. But when it is open, you can review the logic, adjust variables, or refine calculations to better match your trading approach. This is especially powerful if you're testing and optimizing a system and want more control than the basic settings allow. Make small, intentional edits, and consider testing changes on a clean chart to ensure the behavior is what you expect. You can even duplicate your chart layout before experimenting, so you always have a stable version to go back to if something doesn't work as planned. And that's all there is to it. Find your indicator in the top left list, hover to reveal the icons, use the gear to fine-tune settings, and use the double caret if you need to dive into the code. With just these tools, you can tailor your TradingView indicators to be more accurate, more readable, and more aligned with how you trade. The more comfortable you get with these controls, the more confident and efficient you'll become when analyzing your charts.